in the work. Work for it. Wake up early in the morning and go towards your goals. Those voices that are stopping you, that's your battle. Because when you come out on the other side and look at how far you've come, you will actually realize that it's you. You've been winning all this time because you did what you told yourself that you'd do. Wake up and fight. Wake up and run towards your goals. Wake up and crawl towards your goals. Wake up and push yourself to the limits. Sometimes you have to jump. No matter how high or scary it might be, you have to jump. Because when you actually do jump, there is a possibility that something greater than you can happen. You can jump and find out that all this time you've had wings to fly. Push yourself. Get out of your comfort zone. Start over. Be focused. Leave spaces that are hindering your growth. Become better. Push. Put in the work.